Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to tell you some stories, but they are not fake stories, they are real stories, real incident that has happened. And nowadays there are a lot of issues are going on in Twitter, Facebook and other social media regarding these MTM screenshots and verifying MTM screenshots. The verifying MTM screenshot has become verifying P&Ls, all kinds of things. For viewers, I just want to bring you to your notice, sometimes trading is a trading. A person can do trading successfully for many years, and in one particular year he can go even bankrupt. We have seen many top traders like Jesse Livermore is the world's best trader. He was considered as the best trader in the world. At some point of time in his lifetime, he had to commit suicide. Viewers must know that the risk is a risk. And I will tell you the story of one Tamil guy from one of the villages. In 2008, so the Lehman Brothers collapse came. The stock markets crashed all over the world, and that time the gold price started moving higher. So this guy started buying gold, started trading in gold with a long bias in MCX, and he was making profit. The profit was very good. Then because he thought profit is very good, but I don't have a good capital, so how can I use this opportunity? And what he did, he just started borrowing money from his villagers, and he promised them 6% per month return. And some villagers have given money. He was trading in gold. The gold continuously was moving higher. And if you can remember, the gold price somewhere from 900 rupees per gram, it went up to nearly 3,000, 4,000 rupees per gram between 2008 and 2011. It was a non-stop rally. So this guy was making very good profit, but he was paying. And some people given money started receiving the return regularly, and then what happened? At some point of time, more and more people have given money. At one point of time, almost the entire village has given him the money. Of course, they have given almost their entire life savings. What has happened sometimes in 2011 and in the month of September, that just one day, don't know what happened, overnight gold prices crashed 10%. And normally the commodity market, so the margin money you pay for trading in commodities is only about 5% of the total contract size. Assume that the total contract size is 100 rupees. You pay only 5 rupees margin money. Assume that you have got 10 rupees with you. You pay 5 rupees margin money. The remaining 5 rupees, you just set aside for MTM losses, this and that. So the next day when the market crashed 10%, so your MTM loss is 10 rupees. That means your entire capital is wiped out. So just in one day, for 3 years, this guy has been successfully making profit, successfully giving 6% return per month to the villagers, but one fine day his entire capital was wiped out. And then the whole village stood against him and were looking to beat him, and the case has gone to police, and then after that he was sentenced to imprisonment. He was in jail. So why I am saying this story? You, before trusting somebody, before following somebody, even a person may show MTM profit even for one continuous year, but still it does not guarantee that, so that guy will be making only profit forever in his lifetime. A risk is a risk. If you know the risk and if you have the ability to take the risk, then you follow, then it is okay. But just blindly following people, just by looking at their profit or just by looking at their MTM screenshot, things may not work well. So this is the advice I am giving to the retail people. But let me tell you, even very big people, have lost money. So I tell you the story of Nick Leeson. So there's one guy called Nick Leeson. He was working in a bank called Barings Bank, so which is the oldest bank in England, just like State Bank of India. So what has happened, he started trading in stock market, so he was making some profits, and then so the management has seen him making profit. What has happened, the bank's management has given him the bank's money for trading. At some point of time, they trusted this guy so much, so they have given him unlimited amount of money, running into billions of dollars. And what happened? One small black swan event. He was trading in Japanese indices, right? And there was one earthquake in Japan called Kobe earthquake. Just that one day, there was a huge gap down in Japanese markets, and that wiped out all the capital of this Barings Bank. The bank has gone bankrupt, so that Barings Bank was sold for £1 sterling. So always remember, a risk is a risk. I always tell people, sir, how much money should I bring it to stock market? I always tell them how much money you are ready to lose, and that much money you can bring it to the stock market. So in stock market, anything can happen anytime, especially for investors need not worry. You pay the full money, you take the shares delivery, then even the stock goes to 1 rupee also, who knows, in future it may recover. But trading is not like that. So trading, especially options trading, the end of the month your contract is being closed. So this is just only an awareness video, not to target anybody. Please, you want to follow somebody, please understand the risk and reward and follow. Don't follow anybody blindly. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.